Do you wish you could snap your fingers and have clean, bright skin? Meet the PMD Clean Pro, a smart facial cleansing device with SonicGlow technology. Operating at 7,000 vibrations per minute, it loosens stubborn dirt and oil within your pores, giving you a deeper cleanse. Made of ultra-hygienic silicone, the PMD Clean is antibacterial, odor-resistant, and waterproof. No replacement parts, no batteries, and you can leave it in the shower. Could it be any more low maintenance? After cleansing, flip the brush and turn on ActiveWarmth. Use heat therapy with your favorite serums and moisturizers to assist in deeper absorption. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and Sunday Riley even named it the best beauty gadget for skincare junkies. Order your PMD Clean Pro today.